In this video, I want to share with you how to insert ads in your video when you are monetized. Okay, so when you are monetized, depending on what kind of video do you produce, if you produce videos that are less than 8 minutes long, there are different specific ads that you can put, and if you produce videos that are more than 8 minutes long, then there are some ads that you can produce, that you can put, and you can customize to your liking. So let's take a look at how you can put in ads in cases when you have a video that is more than 8 minutes long and when you have less than 8 minutes long. All right, so to start with, let's say you sign into your YouTube account. I'm on my YouTube account right now, so all you need to do is to come to the upload over here to create. Okay, you can upload a video. You just click on upload a video and you can just navigate to pick in the video wherever you have it. For example, from here you just navigate and click to open the video. All right, you put in all the contents, like the title. I've put the title, you put the description, I just put the description, and you put the thumbnail for this. Okay, how to use WPS Office Suite, and you can put the playlist. All right, and then down here you specify the tags. I put different kind of tags, and once you're done putting the tags, you can just come to next, and this is where you put the monetization. This is where you activate the monetization. Okay, so once you put on and then done, you will have the type of tag ads that you can run. Okay, we have the display ads. This one usually comes by default, and then you have other ads like the overlay ads. You can see the preview of them where the location is going to be, and you have sponsored ads, and you have also skippable ads and non-skippable ads. So depending on you, you can select each and every one of them if you want, and you can select accordingly. On my own, I select all of them because that's when you get more money, when you have many type of ads running on your video. And then down here, if the video is more than 8 minutes long, then you have the option to put in mid-roll ads. Okay, so you have to have ads before the video and you have ads after the video. All right, so if it is more than 8 minutes but less than 10 minutes, you can put in the during video, which is the mid-roll. But if it is more than 10 minutes, then you can put the before video and the after video post roll. Okay, the pre-roll and post roll. This one can become active and you activate them, or you can deactivate accordingly if you want. You can activate and deactivate, or they become active once your video is more than 10 minutes, and this one becomes active. The mid-roll becomes active once your video is more than 8 minutes. Okay, and if it is less than 8 minutes, all these three will not be active. You will just be left with these ones once your video is less than 8 minutes. So once you activate, you activate it to be on, and you select all of them, and you can just click on manage mid-roll. Okay, so you click on manage mid-roll, and you can see the position of the playhead from here. This is when the beginning of the video, you can put an ad there. Okay, you can see it, and you can see the sample. This is going to be an ad here, and you can move around. Maybe I want to put another one here. You just click on add and add, and you can see the timing, and you can move around to another place and put an ad, and you can move also to another place and put an ad. Let's say I want to put here also, let's say I have this much number, and at the end of the video I want to put another ad. Okay, so you can see how many of them. You're free to specify the location and move them around if you're not comfortable with where they are at the moment. So once you put in all the ads and you're satisfied with them, so you can just click on continue, and you can go to the next. And this is ad suitability. You can just submit. You say none of these violate any copyright or any sensitive event, and you can say next, and you can put the ad end screen. So this can be done just quickly, and you can just add, select a video. Let's say we select this one and just say okay, save. We can add cards. You can select from the list. Let's say we are going with a video, and we just select a video and say save. And then we can go to the next, which is the final stage, which is the copyright check. No issues. Ad suitability, no issues. So you can just click on. So usually there are a bunch of publishing methods. You have the private, which only you and people you choose can watch the video, and unlisted, only people with the link can watch, and members only. These are premium members only a section. And then you have the public, which everyone can watch. Once you go public, everyone can watch. But for my videos, I usually schedule them, which you have to specify the dates over here. I'm publishing today, and you have to specify the timing. So let's say I'm going for 8 p.m. or let's say 8 p.m. I'll send it for 8 p.m. and you have to I usually set it as a premiere, because when it premieres, it appears as if you are playing the video live, so you can schedule. So in a nutshell, this is just in a bit on how to add ads to your video, whether it's 10 minutes video and above, how to add, and what kind of mid-roll or pre-roll or post-roll ads you can put. When it is greater than 8 minutes and less than 10 minutes, the kind of ads you can put. And when it is less than 8 minutes long, what kind of ads can you put? If you enjoyed this video or you like it in any way, ladies and gentlemen, remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.